Okay, good morning everybody. Pavanance is fitting a heli tracker on all its helicopters. With this, we will be able to see the position of our helicopters at all times. Now we are making a small instructional video to tell you more about the system and how to use it. So first, the parts of the heli tracker kit. Tirthankar will just keep showing you the part as I speak. The heli tracker unit, this is the first part. The second is the distress unit and button. Third is the portable low ampere lithium battery. The battery charger. The distress cable, which has 3 connectors. And the last is the FlyPilot app, which will be downloaded on your mobile. So we'll first do the heli tracker unit assembly steps. So first we take out this distress cable. It has 3 connectors. One will connect to the heli tracker unit like this. It's a very simple connection. The next will connect to the distress unit. The third will be connected to the battery. Okay, so we have now got the entire connection complete. First step, we have connected one connector to the heli tracker unit. Second step, we have connected the other connector to the distress unit. And third, we have connected the battery with the remaining connector. When the battery will connect, the devices will start automatically. One red light will be blinking on the back side of the heli tracker unit. Simultaneously, the red and green light will be blinking on the distress unit. There are 2 LED lights on the distress unit, one red and one green. The red light is for Bluetooth. If the FlyPilot app is connected to the heli tracker unit, then the red light will glow, or else it will not glow continuously. You connect the heli tracker unit by the Bluetooth. The green LED light. The green LED light is for satellite status. If the satellite is in a blocked state, the green light will glow continuously. If the satellite is active, then it will not glow. Now, how to use the FlyPilot app? First, you have to put your mobile to airplane mode. We are assuming that you have downloaded the FlyPilot app. We will be sharing a link, and when you click on that link on your mobile, you can download the app. Your mobile Bluetooth should be on, and open the FlyPilot app on your mobile. you have to scan and connect your phone with the HeliTracker distress unit through Bluetooth. The last 4 digits on the on your HeliTracker unit is the password. Now your mobile is connected to the HeliTracker unit. The satellite status will display in the FlyPilot application. If the status shows green, it means the satellite is connected. In any emergency situation, the pilot shall press the red color panic button placed on the distress unit. In any emergency situation, the pilot may use the FlyPilot app slide to SOS to alert the emergency situation. There is a provision in the FlyPilot app. In any emergency case, the pilot may send a message or an email to the control room, which in our case is the Central Operations Control Room, COCR. So before flight, the pilots are advised to connect his or her mobile, the FlyPilot app, to the HeliTracker unit using the Bluetooth. Now we'll just demonstrate how to charge the battery. The base manager or in charge of maintenance at a base shall ensure that the battery of the HeliTracker units are charged on a daily basis. So this is how you connect it. And this is plugged into a normal electricity socket. If you have any questions, you can always give a call to the Central Operations Control Room. This will also be shared in the same email in which the app link is going to be sent. The FlyTracker app link is going to be sent. Thank you.